Hi, welcome to Math City. Today I will show you how to solve time problems involving regrouping, a little more complex. Now you should have watched my last video with the technically the same problem with different words. So I left the word problem here so I don't have to waste time. So I'm going to use cubes to solve this problem. As usual, all my word problems, I'm going to use cubes to solve them. Okay, I have circled my key math numbers, 2 hours, 50 minutes. That's for Brianna N. 3 hours, 34 minutes for Miss Webster. I am going to underline my question, which I did already, and box the key math words less and than, which tells me that I have to find the difference or subtract two numbers. Now I am going to evaluate. I'm going to evaluate. So we want to find out how much less time that Brianna N took than Miss Webster. So first I find out how much time did it take Miss Webster? Miss Webster, and it took Miss Webster 3 hours and 34 minutes. Then Brianna N with Brianna B-R-I-A-N-A Brianna took Brianna 2 hours 50 minutes. Now I already know because it says less than that I have to, it says less than, so I have to subtract. So I'm going to subtract these two numbers. But wait a minute, look at what's going on here. I am subtracting. I am taking away 4. I have 4 minus 0 is going to be 4. I have 3 minus 5. What is this going to be? This is not possible. So I have to regroup, right? This is the misconception. When I go over here to borrow, I'm going to cross this. I am going to take 1 hour from 3 hours and I'm left with 2 hours. And I'm bringing across my 1 hour over here. But 1 hour is not like what we normally do 10. 1 hour is 60 minutes. You're taking hours and you're changing it into minutes. So my 1 hour is going to change to 60 minutes. Guys, now I have to go and add, going to do my working here, add 60 minutes and 34 minutes together. And now I have over here a total of 94 minutes. A total of 94 minutes. I just brought 60 minutes over there. So 60 minutes plus 34 minutes is going to give me a total of 94 minutes. And this is what I subtract 94 from 50. So 4 from have 4, I'm going to take away 0 from 4. I will still have my 4 here, and now I have 9 minus 5 is going to be 4, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So it's going to be 0 hours and 44 minutes. So my answer is, so it took Brianna and 44 minutes less than Miss Webster. All right, guys, I hope you got this, but I want to go back to this point here, regrouping time. Here we notice, so I have 4 minutes, I am going to take away 0 minutes. That's fine. I'm going to be left with 4 minutes. But if I have 3 minutes and I'm trying to take away 5 minutes, that this is not possible, I have to go and borrow overhead. We are not borrowing groups of tens, we are borrowing 1 hour. We are taking 1 hour. Okay, we are taking 1 hour and we're bringing it from the hours um, column or side and take it over to the minute side. When 1 hour goes to the minute side, it becomes 60 minutes because 60 minutes makes 1 hour. And so I am no longer going to write 1 here, but I'm going to write 60 here. And I will add it to the 34 and get 94. So now this 94, I have to subtract 50 from it. So it's going to be 4 from this here, from 0. I'm going to take away 0 from this 4 here and left with 4. And I'm going to take away 5 from 9 up here and left with 4. Now move over to my hours table side. Sorry. I have 2 hours minus 2 hours, 0 hours left. So my answer will be 44 minutes. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.